I'm hungry.
Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're having a family peri-peri chicken barbecue, Taj Foods style. So without further ado, let's begin! If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Here we are, our peri-peri chicken burgers are marinated. It's time to go on the barbecue. If you'd like the recipe, I'll put the link in the description down below for my peri-peri chicken burger recipe on YouTube. Take a look at it if you haven't seen it. It's the best burgers, and on the barbecue it tastes 10 times better. Our chicken is cooking nicely in the barbecue. My mouth is already watering. Can't wait to try them out.
I'm hungry.
Here we are. Let's assemble our burger. As you can see here, there's some peri-peri sauce and some fries to go with it as well. So firstly, we have 2 burger buns here. To that we'll spread some fresh garlic sauce, onion, cucumbers and the chicken fillet on top of it. You can also put some chili sauce if you desire, cheese, and then the top burger bun. Our chicken peri-peri burger is ready. Enjoy!